Hey guys, welcome to a new episode. Today I'm going to present you my newest BilletSpin Tops acquisitions. It's been a while since my last spinning top video. I think it was over a year. But yeah, if you want to check my other spinning tops, just check my other videos. I've made a 1-year state of the collection, a 2-year state of the collection, and now I'm making a 3-year state of the collection. So these are the tops I've bought during my 3rd year collecting BilletSpin spinning tops. So I'm realizing right now there aren't a lot of new tops. This is mainly because BilletSpin doesn't make as many different designs as they used to, which is not a bad thing, honestly, because I probably couldn't be able to buy 20 tops per year. So yeah, but that doesn't mean they are getting lazy. They are actually making other things, more and more other stuff. They are really into pens right now, and their pens are really beautiful. So link of the BilletSpin website will be in the description below. If you're interested, please go and check it. So yeah, enough rambling. Let's take a closer look to the first top, which is the Evolution. And this is a very special top. The idea was actually to make it a fidget toy, like a fidget spinner, in addition to a top, which I think is really nice. I must confess, I wasn't 100% sure I would like this top until, I knew I would like it, but I wasn't sure I would love it until I had it in my hands and I could experience it. So there you've got a Timascus moving part that runs on ball bearings, extremely smooth and very cool. Inside you can see these dots, so small dots, larger dots, and they appear when you turn the inside wheel. So the inside is titanium, of course, so it's very light, so it doesn't spin for a very long time. But to be honest, I hardly ever play with it like that. What is really cool about it, I think, in my opinion, is when you launch it, you can really see the wheel accelerating. I don't know if you can see that. So when you launch it, your top has a certain speed, and then there's friction with the ball bearings. So the inside wheel will start spinning too, and it will accelerate until it reaches the speed of the main part of the top, if you see what I mean. And I think this makes a really cool effect. Very pleasing for the eyes. And when you stop the top, this is still turning. I think it's really cool. If in the future they make another Evolution themed top, I would really like, however, to see this wheel in the full width, if you see what I mean. It would be really cool to be able to turn the wheel like that without having to put your finger inside, if you see what I mean. I think it would be really cool. You could probably turn the top and then hold the wheel just like that, and the top would continue spinning, for example. Yeah, it would just be something a bit different, and I think would look very nice. So yeah, that's it for this one. The bottom is very simple. The idea was to make it look like a wheel, so I think the design is very well done here. Lots of little details as usual with BilletSpin Tops. Nice jimping. And yeah, that's it for the Evolution. So then I bought the Firefly top. So this one has an aluminum center and a tungsten outside. So this thing can turn for a very long time despite the small size. And I think these are actually some of my favorite BilletSpin tops. So I'm realizing it's not really all about design, it's really about the feeling, the sensation you get when you launch it. This one makes an amazing noise with this spinning bass. Yeah, it's very, very cool. And they made different versions. So here is the same design basically, but with a larger outer color, and the outside is tungsten copper. Just show you how this one turns. Then after that, I bought the Xeno. Very, very cool top. One of the most impressive BilletSpin design, I think, with lots of little details, very thin, tiny parts. It is absolutely beautiful. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 5-piece top. And I think for the work there is on this, they are very affordable, and I just had a look on the BilletSpin website. These are still available. So, I mean, actually, you also have some evolutions available. So, if you're interested, don't hesitate to go and check them. This one is made of bronze and stainless steel, which is usually my favorite material combination. And it's looking absolutely gorgeous. As usual, lots of little details. Very, very beautiful. And that stem is one of the most beautiful BilletSpin stems, I think. Just after the Miracle. The Miracle is still my favorite BilletSpin top. So yeah, that's it for the Xeno. And last but not least, here is a collaboration with Tashi Bharucha. So this one is called the Trigon. It came with the new BilletSpin boxes. So I think all the new tops will come in these boxes. And yeah, this thing is simply crazy. The design is very different to anything else Rich Stadler have made in the past. And yeah, just a very cool collaboration with a very famous knife guy. I'm gonna be honest, it's not the most amazing spinner. Not the easiest to launch. It's not the one that stabilizes the quicker, but just in terms of design is crazy. It's actually how many pieces are on this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces top. So this is pretty insane. These are actually different parts than the inside. I mean, the copper on the outside is different than the copper on the inside. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 with the inside copper, 5 with the stem, and there you have 2 pieces of steel. So 7 and the ball for the contact point, of course. Really beautiful, and I was extremely lucky to be able to get one because these sold out in just a few seconds, I think. And so many people wanted one, and there were so few made that I'm extremely lucky. So yeah, that's it, guys. Really hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you did, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I also forgot to mention that the newest BilletSpin top design, which is the Maelstrom right there, is available at the moment until the 13th of December. So if you are interested, it's your chance. I have already ordered mine, which is the stainless steel bronze version. can't wait to have it and to experience it with my own hands.